Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Craig Royal underscore King Lord. So guys, today I'm going to do my skincare routine with you guys. I'll be sharing it with you. So I did a reel of my skincare routine on Instagram and I also put it on TikTok a week or two ago. Did good numbers. So I thought why not do it on YouTube too? So hopefully you guys will love it. Hopefully you like it. And if you do, please like, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. To my new subscribers, thank you, welcome to the Craig Royalty fam. And then if we are a returning subscriber, guys, I'm nothing without you. You know, Craig Royalty loves you. So guys, let me show you guys how I do my stuff. So yeah. So guys, I did my waves yesterday. I was removing my do-rag. So yeah, I'm using my pure soap. So previously I used other soaps, so sensed soaps to be exact. So it didn't treat my skin well. I had skin irritation, itchiness, and my skin was always dry. So now I stopped using those other soaps, so I started using pure soap, which was recommended to me by a friend. So it has been good to me. Now my skin is always hydrated and I retain even tone, and my skin almost have the same color, even though I have the blackness on the sides, but at least the darkness it's fading away. So yeah, now I'm rubbing it in, washing my face, making sure all the surfaces are clean. So yeah, I recommend this to everyone. I don't have regrets of using pure soap. So yeah, I recommend that everyone use it. Then we rinse with cold water. So now I'm going to apply my Cuticura face scrub, exfoliation and moisturizing. So yeah, I just put small portions, not too much, and then I'll rub it in on my face. It helps me with fading all the marks and then prevents breakouts. I'm one person who always have pimples, but since I started using this, at least now I can see a progress whereby there are no more pimple break out like before. So yeah, at least it's helping me, and it's an advantage because this scrub exfoliates and moisturizes at the same time. So yeah, I'm rubbing it in, making sure that at least everything it's well, it's good. Then I rinse with cold water. This is how I look after the washing. And then I use my gentle magic lotion. I apply my gentle magic lotion only where I have pimples or where I have dark skin. So yeah, it helps me with dark spots. So I'm not applying it all over the face. I apply it where I have pimples and dark spots only. So yeah. So now guys, I'm using my Portia M syrup. It helps me with moisturizing my face. So since I've told you before that my skin it's dry, so now I'm moisturizing my skin. You can literally see the difference when I'm applying it on my face. So yeah guys, it helps me with retaining my moisture. So yeah, at least now I'm a better person, and I've seen good results in the past few weeks since I started using this. So yeah, now I'm applying my sunscreen. Highly recommended, guys. I know now we're going to winter, but I recommend that everyone uses a sunscreen. I'm no longer using a lotion on my face. I only apply sunscreen. So yeah, it helps me a lot. And guys, I forgot to mention, I only use scrub 3 times a week. This routine is for the morning and the night, and then I only use scrub 3 times a week, on a Tuesday, on a Friday, and on a Sunday only. So yeah, this is how I am. And then for my head, I use the legendary wave control to maintain my waves. So yeah guys, this is how we do stuff. This is how we keep our hair nice and clean. So yeah, I'm rubbing it in, making sure that all the laces are there. So yeah guys, and then I'm going to use a brush, my legendary brush, to brush my hair to the direction that I want my waves to be in. So yeah, this is how I do my stuff. After everything, this is how I look. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and families. And if you have any questions about the product that I use for my face, please don't forget to announce or say your comments on the comment section. So as I go, I thank God with a smile.